Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in the trade right now on USD JPY. No, excuse me, Great British Pound USD 26.72. Price is at 26.76. I did a buy on at $52.75. I'm due to make $48.25. I bought two contracts, so you do the math. That's on the a little bit under $100, well $98. Um, as you see, things are going pretty well right now. We're about to finish up this trade, and my account value about to go up, and strategy is working pretty well. It's a little close right now. If I got in this thing a little bit earlier, probably be at a very wouldn't be this close, but it's about to win anyway, so plays pretty good. All right, we'll let this thing clear out and see what happens. All right, 382 is our value. Count moving up. Obviously, it's checking out.